I am Shrikant Garla.
Namaste friends, my name is Sheetal Pawar.
I am Nikita.
Good morning and good evening to all my dear masters.
I am Sirisha Pamidi, living in Atlanta.
Myself, my name is Arun.
Myself, Rajesh.
I am Anila Garla.
I am Devi Chakka from New Jersey, USA.
I would like to pay my tributes to our beloved Guru, Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patri Sir, from the bottom of my heart.
My soul namaskars to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, who has made this possible, made these sessions possible, who has...
Our Atma Namaskaras to our beloved Master Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji.
My deepest gratitude to our Guru Brahmarshi Pitamaha Subhash Patriji.
My deepest gratitude to our beloved Guru Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji.
Deepest pranamams to our Grand Master Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji.
Namaste Patri Sir.
Science of meditation, the basic, fundamental and the most important topic, most important subject for each and every spiritual seeker.
So if you have heard the word Brahmanda, universe, if you think that the external Brahmanda is a vast one, then my dear friends, be assured that the inner Brahmanda is equally vast.
So through inner cleansing, we all cleanse the false negative self-images, the negative beliefs we have in our mind.
So only through inner journey you can understand yourself.
The right meditation is Anapanasati, which is being with your breath.
Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. We need to take birth, die and take birth, die and take birth. Even Adi Shankaracharya has told in Bhaja Govindam about this. Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam. So,
seek ye the kingdom of God, then all else will added unto you. The kingdom of God is within you. Unless you become like a child, you are not able to enter in the kingdom of God.
So before that, we need to understand that we are not just body unit, but we are also body, mind, intellect and soul units. So that is the understanding where a thought about chakras will start.
Yuktahara viharasya yukta chetasya karmasu yukta swapnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha. That means one has to be temperate in his habits of eating, sleeping, working.
In India, we have more than 20,000 pyramids constructed in the past 30 years of Pyramid Spiritual Society's movement.
The inclinations of our bodies are different than ours. We all know what the inclinations are of the physical, emotional, mental bodies.
Is Atma Parabrahmamu or Atman is Brahma.
Lankanam Parama Aushadam.
in rapid evolution, we have three things, that is Dhyana Yoga, Swadhyaya Yoga and Gnana Yoga.
So Patriji has understood the very importance and the power of pyramids and how it will influence the planet Earth and how it will influence the humanity.
Dehame Devalayam. The body that we have is the temple.
So if you do at least 10 cycles of this breath every day, my dear masters, your autoimmune system goes quite well because your heart is beating at a very good rate and it reaches a homeostatic state, which is very good for your autoimmune system. So during this COVID time, I have taught this Padmanabha Sthiti, this Kriya to so many people and it has been helping.
So dying is not really dying. We are there. We are eternal being. There is no death for us.
In medical science, one of the Japanese scientists, Dr. Oshinori Oshumi, he won the Nobel Prize in 2018 for his research on autophagy.
I have read books from Theosophical Society, books by Patriji. Patriji books are like, one book contains 100 books of essence, and then he kept it in a very simple format and it is so easy to read. Anybody can start.
Patriji says like vegetarianism means converting all beastly humans into humane humans, and meditation is converting all humane humans into divine humans.
So our goal in this lifetime, Our ultimate goal is attain that Buddha state.
The fact that breath has no form is one of the reasons why breath awareness is an extremely effective way of bringing space into your life, of generating consciousness.
I have read Osho books, Lopes, Grampa, Carlos Castaneda, Jane Roberts, Linda Goodman, Deepak Chopra books, Sylvia Brown, Turkum Saradian books, Yogananda Paramahamsa books, Barbara Mansignac, Joe Dispenza, Jody Satori, Michael Nemi, Thayoba Prophecy, and all.
So we have to always think positive thoughts to attract the positive experiences in our life. I always start my day with gratitude and end my day with gratitude, and always recall all the positive experiences in my life.
The karmic gems primarily talk about the sharing, the giving, the preaching or spreading it. And when you do that, you realize the first 3 Siddhantic gems. Without doing the second, the Abhyasa gems and the karmic gems, right, you cannot attain the first 3.
Breath is a spiritual essence which gives life to the physical body through the vital principle called prana.
My dear friend, Sahasrara is not a chakra, it is a state. It is not a chakra, it is sthiti.
Let us take a deep breath and release the breath by observing. Be with your breath when you're exhaling. Take a deep breath and observe your breath while you're exhaling.
So when you are sitting idle with the energies and with the state of mind, state of body, state of emotions you have, the subtle state of being, that is helping your third eye to be activated. These tingling sensations are, the energies are flowing into your third eye and it is trying to activate your third eye. So at that time, your observation is in here.
Lord Shiva was putting his finger to each one of us. Yes, that is true. Yeah, all your experiences are wonderful. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Everyone will have their own abilities of vision. So what vision you have is what yours.
Many of you are experiencing quite a lot of beautiful things while you're meditating. You might understand some things, you might understand the significance of some images, visions. Question yourself while you're meditating on it. What does this mean? What is the universe trying to show me? What are the masters trying to tell me?
Getting mudras, getting some body postures is very natural phenomenon.
Shambho Mahadeva Sada Siva Ambujanayana Narayana Shambho Mahadeva Sada Siva Brahma Mokkate Para Brahma Mokkate Para Brahma Mokkate Para Brahma Mokkate Tandananahi Tandanana Puri Tandanana Bhala Tandanana Bhala Tandanana Bhala Tandanana.
Great masters like Babaji and Lord Shiva are always there with us. They are with us. What is their duty? Their duty is to help us. They don't have any other duty other than helping the budding masters. They are the grand masters. We are all budding masters. So they are there to help us in meditation. The more we are into meditation, the more we take guidance from the super masters. They are ready to give everything. We should be ready to take it. We have to practice meditation. I have to perform my duty towards you personally by teaching meditation to you. From today, I will follow the 18 principles. This is our latest Spiritual India magazine. So, please read all these magazines. And Balakrishna Garu and all the team of Balakrishna Garu, Premnath, these are such great masters. They have created revolutions within revolutions within revolutions in India, in PSSM. When we become successful in our inner journeys, respective inner journeys, we have done our duty to ourselves, our soul. Outer journey is for the body, inner journey is for the soul.
नर तुम झूठे जन्म गवाया, झूठे का कोई अंत न पाया। झूठे के घर झूठा आया, झूठे ते परछाया। झूठे के घर झूठा आया, झूठे ते परछाया। सच कहूँ मैं झूठ न बोलूं, साचे को झुठलाया। सच कहूँ मैं झूठ न बोलूं, साचे को झुठलाया। काहे कबीरा सोई जन साचे, अपने माही समाया। काहे कबीरा सोई जन साचे, अपने माही समाया। नर तुम झूठे जन्म गवाया, झूठे का कोई अंत न पाया। नर तुम झूठे जन्म गवाया, झूठे का कोई अंत न पाया।